it was rebirth of a lot of things for me, but it makes me feel very, very good.
It's a wonderful production. You absolutely have to come down to Gateway and see this. They are working so hard. They are phenomenal. The voices coming out of their bodies is astounding, just singing for the gods.
The music was fantastic. The acting was fantastic. It's a show that everyone should see.
It spoke to my heart.
This is our history also, and thankfully we have progressed, and we're in a better place.
This was one of the best productions that Gateway has ever done.
Sugar, you know how a woman can tell a man's mind? How? He opens his mouth. Take a taste of it, ain't nothing but a kiss.
We drove an hour and a half to come down here. They were amazing, knocked it out of the park. This girl held that note for 52 bars of 8. It was off the chain. I love that girl. Gotta come see the show. It is incredibly poignant to what is going on in the world today. It brought tears to my eyes.
What a fabulous show. It is going to knock your socks off. It will blow you right out of the audience, and it is so poignant for nowadays. You have got to come down to see Gateway. What a phenomenal cast. This is a fabulous production. If you miss this, you're crazy. Got to get down here to Gateway.